So I have adjusted it for you, and you can see the setup here. On this setup, I have adjusted it. Your mirror, we have kept lens here. Now you see the status of the image pin and object pin. You can see there is no parallax. uh, Parallax you have to remove, and initially you can change your length little bit, the position of this mirror little bit. Once you have you have got this setup. This is the first setup, and now we will find out the focal length of lens, because this setup is ready to take readings. So we can take reading from here. So this is 0. So once we get this, we can put a scale here also. So I am getting it at 18.5. So this is 18.5 here. Now 18.5, I will put enter this f1 as 18.5 centimeter. So because this is in centimeter, so let us write centimeter here. This is 18.5 centimeter. Now the second thing, we will put some, just remove this lens from here, put some water, pour some water here, not more than this. It should not spill over. So put it here. You can see that a kind of lens has been formed here. Lens has been formed. This is plano concave lens. Now see that our reading, our status earlier that we had set up was actually disturbed just because of this water. Now, as I told you, that we have to take this pin a little bit upwards. So after I will I'm taking it upwards, and I am setting it for the second reading. So now I'm taking it upwards, and then see that what will happen. Initially it will look as blurred, but a little bit adjustment is required in the height of the pin also, because due to this the image has become little bit smaller, but parallax should be removed again. So let us remove the parallax, and then I will show to you that we have got another set of reading with all parallax removed. So this is somewhat we have to get again, and I will show you that how reading have changed. And I moved this pin only in upward direction. So let us see the reading again, and reading here is, it is 26.5. Oh no, it is not 0. If you see from 0, it is 24.5. It is approximately 24.5. So next, the focal length of combined lens is 24.5 measured from the lens. Now you have got two unknowns. You can find F liquid from here. R should be known to you. You can ask, or you should have spherometer to obtain the radius of curvature. So once you have got the radius of curvature, you can find out the refractive index of liquid by using this formula. This is the whole derivation, you can say, and then you can find out. So